In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google form public without requiring participants to have a Gmail account. This tutorial is perfect for those looking to gather information or feedback from a wide range of people without any barriers. So, let's dive straight into the process. First off, let's navigate to Google Forms. You'll need to sign into your account, so head over to the Google Forms website, click on Sign In, and enter your email address followed by your password. This will grant you access to your Google Forms dashboard, where you can manage all of your forms. Once you're signed in, find the form you want to make public. If you're creating a new form, you can start from scratch or choose from a variety of templates that Google Forms offers. This flexibility allows you to tailor your form to exactly what you need, whether it's a survey, RSVP, or quiz. After selecting your form, it's time to adjust some settings to ensure that it's accessible to everyone, including those without a Gmail account. You'll find the settings option at the top of your screen. Clicking on this will reveal a menu where you can manage your form's settings. Within the settings menu, you should see a tab labeled Responses. This section is crucial for controlling how responses to your form are collected and managed. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Now here's a critical part of making your form publicly accessible. You'll want to ensure that all options under the Responses tab are turned off or set to Do Not Collect. This step is vital because it removes the requirement for respondents to sign in with a Gmail account, opening up your form to a broader audience. By following these steps, your Google form will now be public, and anyone with the link can respond without the need to sign into a Gmail account. This is particularly helpful when you're reaching out to people outside your organization, conducting public surveys, or gathering feedback from a diverse group. Remember, accessibility is key to getting the most responses. Making your Google form public ensures that no barriers will prevent people from submitting their responses. Whether it's for a school project, customer feedback, or any other purpose, you now know how to make your Google form accessible to everyone. And there you have it, a simple, quick guide to making your Google form public without requiring a Gmail account. This method is sure to help you gather more responses and achieve the objectives of your form more effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.